ready to take your project management skills to the next level. Today, we're diving into how to install Primavera P6 using Getintopc. First things first, head over to Getintopc in the search bar, type in Primavera P6 and hit enter. Locate the version you need, making sure it's compatible with your system. Before you click download, crucial step here, scroll down and carefully review the system requirements. Check your computer's specs to ensure everything matches up. Pay attention to the operating system, RAM, and hard disk space needed. Once you've confirmed compatibility, go ahead and click that download button. You will most likely need to extract the installation file using WinRAR or similar program. Now, locate the Getintopc file within the extracted folder, right-click on it and select Run as administrator. The Primavera P6 installation wizard will pop up. Choose the installation option that best suits your needs. Typical is usually a good starting point for most users. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. And that's it. Once the installation is complete, launch Primavera P6 and start exploring its powerful features. If you encounter any issues, double-check the system requirements or consult the Getintopc comments section for common troubleshooting tips. Good luck managing those projects.